So here also I will type F manually because of the merge cell. It is not selecting properly. And column F takes value from what? From this cell. And here I should fix it.
When you scroll down on the right side, so what I was trying, doing the SUMIFS for some of the details.
Okay. So we have so
So
many
in that
columns,
when
country-wise, product-wise, products.
on the right side,
Yes.
For first two chart, the simple SUMIF is working properly in that.
Okay.
In the last chart, I was trying for SUMIFs, and I
This
think
one?
I'm somewhere, the last one. Yeah.
Okay.
So here I am not, able to catch the problem where I'm stuck.
What he's saying, he's having some numbers, volume in kg, this column AI, and he's having customer also here, customer or country. Okay, based on these two parameters, and there is a product here, column F. Column B, column F, and column AI. AI needs to be calculated for this combination, product and country. So it is a simple SUMIF exercise.
Country, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me write it again. I was earlier modifying the formula of Rehan. Equal SUMIFS. Okay. SUMIFS. What do you want to sum? I would go for column AI. Column AI. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's summation. It gives us some values. Then what is the criteria range 1? Criteria range 1, I will go for, let's say, in place of column B, I will type it manually because there is merged cell in between. So that is creating an issue. That's column B. And what is the criteria currently? The criteria is, B is what? Country. So I will take country from here, this cell. And then I will fix only row number 7 because I need to move it left, right, comma. And second criteria, range should be our product, which is column F. So here also I will type F manually because of the merge cell. It is not selecting properly. And column F takes value from what? From this cell. And here I should fix it with column. So this should give the results. Now it's giving. Okay, so something wrong with Rehan's formula, somewhere which I missed. But when I wrote it fully on my own, it works. Logic is still same. What I was trying to apply there, maybe something is there by mistake. What you want to sum? When I select this, you can see it is showing my numbers. What is the current criteria? When I select, it shows, okay, these are countries. What you should match it with? AY7, which is current country, because I'm writing formula for that country right now. What is the next range for the criteria? Here it is product, PY, whatever, and it should be matched with the current product. Now, once this is working, then copy down, right side, enter, and it gives us the range for each combination.